Why do women need to be investing their money? So it turns out that amazing women earn a lot, save a lot, budget well, pay bills on time, do all these things unbelievably well, but don't seem to have the confidence to take the next step, which is investing. I think part of the reason is there's a lot of misconceptions around investing. Do I have enough money? Do I earn enough? How much should I be investing? Where should I be investing? Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. There's only a few concepts that I really think people need to know before they start investing. Investing should be easy and simple and vanilla because that's what's appropriate for most people. The key step is to just start, and you could start with $50 a month investing. I'm a huge fan of something called robo advisors. I'm going to leave a link to an article describing them and to a list of great robo advisors. But the idea is it's all been automated. So you send a little piece of your paycheck every single month into an investment account, and this robo advisor is basically going to put it into the market for you in a way that's diversified. That's really key. So the second is it should be diversified. And when we say diversified, we just mean we're not investing in one stock. It might seem like a good idea. Sometimes it works out, but sometimes it doesn't. So when I invest, I want to invest in a diversified basket of stocks. Another way of thinking about this is think of a closet. I do this with men and women, so this is not like, this is a gender neutral analogy is what I'm trying to say, but I want you to think of your closet, right? You don't just have summer clothes in your closet. If you live in a 4-season city, you have clothes for every single season and every single occasion. So you have a diversified closet. Basically, whatever comes your way, you're like, I've got clothes for this. Your investment account is very similar to a closet. So you're not going to invest in one stock. You're going to invest in 500 stocks, like the S&P 500, which is a basket or a closet of 500 US companies. And that is diversified. So basically, it doesn't matter what's happening in the market, you've got 500 companies. See what I'm saying here? Diversified, closets, baskets. That's another big, important investing concept. And if you've got that, you're like 80% of the way there. And then a third concept that I actually think is really important is this idea of timing. We don't time because we can't time. There's no ego. We would all love to get in right before the market's going to do amazing things, but that's not always feasible. It's like really, really hard. So instead of trying to time, we just go for steady and consistent. So we're going to put a little bit of money into the market every single month, rain or shine. And that way you're not worrying about timing, and that way you can just kind of consistently and steadily get into the market. That's a very powerful investing concept. And the way to think about that is you want to get into the ocean, right? You can run straight in and like do that. Some people don't like to do that. They like to acclimate. Some people like to tiptoe into the ocean. If you want to go in slowly and steadily every month into the stock market or into an investment account, it's basically like tiptoeing into the ocean. And I think it's a fantastic way to get invested. So those are 3 kind of key ideas as to what we need to know around investing. If you have any thoughts, comments, leave them in the comments below. I'm actually really curious what people think about investing. What are some of the barriers? How can we get past them? And I'm always looking for topics that we can go in depth on to answer your questions and help you take action with investing your money.